morning and welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So I have a very small haul for you today, but I did find some new things at a new Dollar Tree that I hadn't been to before. And so I want to start off by showing you some flowers. Now, I've already started working with these flowers a little bit, but I did not buy a whole lot of flowers, and I'm not going to this year because I have quite a few of them, but they're way in the top of my closet, so as soon as I get somebody to pull them down for me, I'll have flowers. But I did buy this little bunch of flowers right here. It's some orange sunflowers and some of these little, what they call cone flowers, and just some little mums, little tiny mums like this. So I did buy some of those, just a couple of bunches, because I'm working on a project for somebody with that. Then I picked up one of the little pumpkins. They finally got these out. I have been looking for pumpkins, though, to do some projects with. I've seen other people haul them. They're like the velvet pumpkins, and they come in white and a couple other colors, but I've been looking for those, but we haven't got those in yet. But I did pick one of these up. And this is a repeat, but I love these things. I think I gave all mine away last year. The thankful harvest and welcome signs, the little metal what do you call it? You know, just the little metal signs. They're really cute. So I picked up those. Nothing new here. I picked up some self-laminating sheets because I'm going to be doing some bookmarks for somebody, and I wanted to laminate them, and I don't have a laminator here, so I used that. And then I picked up some bling. Now, I have never seen Dollar Tree carry anything like this. They did have it in Halloween too, but I really don't do a whole lot of Halloween, so I did not pick any of that up. But y'all, look at this. Is this not gorgeous? Look at those colors. Beautiful. So it's kind of a goldish color bling with that beautiful copper tone leaf in the middle. And this feels like metal. It's not plastic. It feels like little metal pieces. Isn't that beautiful? This is the only style that I saw. They may have more, but this is the only one that I saw like this. I did see some. They had skulls and pumpkins, and I think that was it. But they had some in the Halloween, but not. This is the only version that I saw. Sorry for the glare. Just fall stuff. And then I found these stickers. They were so cute, and they were like quite fall looking. So I picked these up. Let's see if I can show it to you without a glare. Aren't those cute? I love that. See you soon, raccoon. So pick those up. And then I did find some washi that was new. Yeah, I know, I'm trying to get rid of like over 200 packs of stickers and washi and stuff. But these are really cute, and I'm actually going to be gifting these to two girls in my life who do planners and stuff. But this one is really cute. It has a pattern on it with rose gold, and then the vibrant pink with flowers, and then these little pink roses. Isn't that pretty? And then this one is really cute too. It has gold with little diamond patterns on it, and the pink flowers. And then it has the llamas. Look how cute that is. Whoops. Can you see that? It has little llamas on it. I just thought that was adorable. And then I picked up some of these rings here. I have some of those little, I wouldn't say they're not binders, but what I'm trying to say, the little zip-up pouches, like pencil pouches or whatever. I picked those up a long time ago. I had a bunch around here, and I'm putting the rings on those to put all my embellishments together. And then I found this, what they call lunchbox notes. These are the cutest things. I don't know if you've seen them or not, and I'm not sure if my grandson's quite old enough for them. He's going into kindergarten, but these are really cute. I think you get like 3 of each one, and they're just little notes that just has a picture on the front. So I think these would be fun to use as like journaling cards as well. But this one says, have a fun day. And they're blank on the back. And this one says, be brave, you got this. So I'm actually may keep these for journaling cards. But I only found one box, or I might have picked up another one. And then this one is just like a speech bubble. And this one says, you are the sweetest. And then we have another speech bubble in here. Like I said, you get 3 each. But aren't they so cute? And then here's just one with, looks like an index card almost. But these are really, really cute. So you get, I've counted all those 3s. I know 18 notes. So I don't think I'm going to give this to my grandson because he's a little young for this yet. But this is really cute, and the box is really cute to alter. So that is everything I got from the Dollar Tree. Oh, and this container right here to go in my little... Oh, that's not all I got. Wait, y'all. Wait. That's not all. I forgot I picked up a couple of signs. I had been looking for a mason jar sign, and I just thought this was the cutest little thing ever. Look how cute that is. It says, hello, fall. Now, I may be doing the back and altering the back of it, but I'm not going to mess this up just in case, you know, I decide I want to use it. But that is really cute. Then I picked up one like this because it reminded me of my dad's truck we used to call Old Blue. Oh my gosh, that truck was so... It looked like it's seen its last days when I was young growing up. But it just reminded me of my dad. We'd go down the road and he'd always backfire the truck and scare people with it. It was funny. It was funny when we were kids, you know. But this one, and it says Happy Harvest. And it has like the leaf on it. But I just thought it was so cute. I had to pick it up. I don't know if I'll do anything else to this. It may just hang like this. But my brother got Old Blue when my dad passed away. And I think it's still at his house. But it's not running right now. But, yeah. I think this is really cute. And so I did pick that up. Okay, now I'm through with my haul. So, like I said, it's kind of small, but my sponsorship money is running thin, and I really don't want to pick up something that I'm not going to be able to use right away or do something with. So, yeah, I just picked up the things that I knew I would be crafting with or had a purpose for. All right, my friends, let me know what you liked out of the haul, and I will be back next Tuesday with a Dollar Tree DIY for you. So thank you so much. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. And if you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that little red button down there that has subscribe on it. And don't forget to tap the bell when it pops up. And that way you should be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Not a promise, not with YouTube. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.